Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk-around. This is the 2016, the Ford Edge. Stock number is 7278. Let's take a look at the virtual video walk-around experience. Take notice of the exterior condition. This Edge has the EcoBoost 2.0 liter motor, which is going to give you excellent gas mileage as well as lots of power while driving. We're going to show you the exterior. This vehicle has had a 150-point vehicle inspection, is a four-wheel drive, which is excellent as far as when we do have the inclement weather here in the Great Pacific Northwest, as far as rain and sometimes snow. Take notice of the rear interior. Lots of ample cargo space. And we're going to show you if you have friends or family traveling with you. Look at all the ample legroom on the interior. Very comfortable ride with the leather. This does have a clean Carfax history report. Leather seats, four-wheel disc brakes, backup camera. And absolutely impeccable. Only 26,000 miles on this Edge, so it's not going to last long. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Look forward to hearing from you. Call, email, or text us. Better yet, come on down. Hopefully we can earn your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.